Serving others with a 5-star approach is the lifeblood of our business. So when we receive a glowing review, we love to share the news. We're honored when someone takes the time to write about their personal experience, like this. And that's just one happy experience with our business. It's wonderful to receive positive online reviews like this one. We enjoy sharing them with everyone. It's extremely encouraging and validating. Plus, it's a great testament to our commitment to satisfaction. 5-star experiences are great, and our goal is to keep earning those reviews. Let us prove to you why we deserve your 5-star rating. We want to thank you for checking us out today. You can contact us at the number on your screen. We hope to hear from you soon.